Welcome to A Taste of K. In this video, we'll be making Haitian white rice, also known as Diri Blan. You will need 5 cups of jasmine rice, 9 to 10 cups of water, green onions, 1 teaspoon minced garlic, 1 tablespoon butter, and salt. To make less rice, just remember you need 2 cups of water to 1 cup of rice. In a hot pot, I added 2 tablespoons of oil, green onion, and garlic. Begin to fry this for a few minutes. Do not let it burn. Add the water and salt. Once the water comes up to a boil, you will add the rice. You will stir the rice in the pot and add the 1 tablespoon of butter. Once the water have evaporated, you will stir the pot one last time. Cover, lower the temperature to medium-low. My stove, I put it on a number 4. I'll set the clock for 35 minutes, and after you should have fluffy white rice. There you have it, Haitian white rice, known as Diri Blan. In upcoming videos, I'll be making stewed goat okra, and I'll also be making a video to show you how I prepare and marinate the goat. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in another video.